just softening some onions and courgettes in a little bit of oil, and now I'm going to add some mushrooms. Just cut each one into quarters because they shrink down during cooking. Now I'm going to add in a heaped teaspoon of chilli powder. Just stir it for a few seconds. And now for the beans. This is such an easy recipe. I'm using canned kidney beans. I've drained and rinsed those. In they go. Next, I'm going to add a can of mixed beans, and they're in a spicy tomato sauce. For the full recipe, click the link in the description. Got some new potatoes here that I've parboiled and sliced them nice and thin. Just layer them on the top to cover the filling. And then just need to scat over a little bit of cheese. I've got some lighter cheddar here. And then bake that for 20 to 25 minutes until it's bubbling and golden brown. For more quick and easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe.